During this course, we are going to use Anaconda distribution for Python. So open your browser, type anaconda.com/download. Once you go here, you scroll down and you will see two versions of Python. This distribution is available on both versions of Python, but we are going to use only version 3.6 throughout the course because version 2.7 is the older version and there are not much development happening on that version now. So version 3.6 is the latest. And also be careful when you download. You have to check your operating system. You check how many bits is your operating system. If it is 32-bit, you download the 32-bit installer. If it is 64-bit, you download the 64-bit installer. Okay, since my machine is 64-bit, I am downloading the 64-bit installer. Okay, just say no thanks and your download has started. So this will take a while. This is around 537 megabytes file. So this will take a while, depends on your internet speed. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, just double click once it is done. Okay, click run. Okay, click next. These are the license agreement. Okay, I agree. Here you can choose either option. It doesn't matter which option you choose. The first option just says it will be just installed for you. Okay, only with the user ID that you have currently logged on to your machine. But if you want this Python to be available for all the users, you select all users. Okay, but based on this, it will install in the different folder. You should note that. Okay, I will just install for all users, but whenever you select all users, it requires admin privilege. Okay, so it will prompt for administrative access. So just click yes. And by default, it will install in this folder when you select for all users. So don't change anything, just use all the default options for now. Whenever if we need any changes, we can always configure later on. Okay, click next, and you have two options: add Anaconda to the system path environment variable. So what happens here, once you add to the path, you can invoke Anaconda or Python from anywhere. You can just go to a command prompt from any folder. You can start Anaconda or Python. So this is not required. You can even later do it later on, because we are always going to use a graphical user interface during this course. Then register Anaconda as the system Python 3.6. So what happens if you register Anaconda as the system Python, because you may have multiple Python in the system. Okay, for this course we are only using Python with Anaconda. So you can just select this, leave it as a default option, because if you are trying to use any other IDEs like Visual Studio or PyDev or any other Python IDEs, this Python will be available for you. So you don't have to install another version of the Python. Okay, click install. This will take a while. Okay, the installation has completed. So you click next, and the next option is to install the Microsoft VS Code, because there is some partnership with Microsoft. So we are not going to use Visual Studio Code, so it's okay, you just skip this option. And finally, if you want to learn more about Anaconda, learn how to get started with Anaconda, you just unselect them and click finish. Okay, the installation is completed. Let's see where is it got installed. So you just open your C drive, go to program data. So you see Anaconda folder. So the whole distribution is included here. So you can see there are a lot of packages which are installed with this. Okay, these are the various packages installed. If you don't install Anaconda and if you install Python, you may have to install all these packages manually one by one. And also the advantage of Anaconda distribution is if there are any updates for these packages, automatically you can check for the updates and you can install them. See, these are the scikit-learn package, Seaborn. We are going to use this scikit-learn, Seaborn, the few packages which we are going to use, and there are much more packages, and some packages are just related to the user interface. Okay, some are related to audio, video, and some related to the cryptology. So there are a lot of packages. A lot of packages here. So during this session we have discussed Anaconda installs few IDEs. So let's see what are the IDEs that are installed. So you can see the Anaconda Navigator, you can see Jupyter Notebook, okay, or you can always go and find this. If you are using Windows 10, it's always easy to find from here. Okay, I have Anaconda Navigator, and also you have Anaconda prompt. This is the command prompt where you can execute your Python code from. So go to Anaconda Navigator. During this course we mainly use Jupyter Notebooks to write your code and to execute your code. We don't use any other editors, but you are free to use other editors, like even you can use Spider. Okay, so let's launch Jupyter Notebook. So this has launched the Jupyter Notebook. So you can actually go to this URL always. You don't have to open Anaconda. So let's see how to open from here, from the browser. I will close Anaconda. Okay, you just go to the browser. Okay, so you are in the Jupyter. Okay, so as long as you open this, your Anaconda is installed successfully. Okay, if you have any issue with your laptop, or some people might be using Office laptop and they may not have access to install any of the software, so you can always go to Microsoft Azure and you can use their free service. You go to notebook.azure.com. I think it is notebooks. Okay, notebooks.azure.com, and you create your own account. So you will get the same interface as what we are going to do. So both are web based. Okay, so I can just create a new Python 3 notebook here. Okay, I have the same interface here. We will go through this interface in the class. So, and here also see you have the same interface even if you use Azure. So you just go to notebooks.azure.com and you sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new Microsoft account, and this is completely free. You can use Jupyter for the Python and R. Okay, so you can use either Anaconda distribution if you manage to install. If you are unable to install, or if you are working on your Office laptop which has a lot of security on it, which prevents you to install, you use Microsoft Azure. Okay, I hope you will install Anaconda distribution successfully. So if you have any questions, you can always ping me. See you in the class.